Hey everyone, it's Frank. What's Mama cooking today? Chicken cordon bleu. But I've never seen it this way. It's a new way, I guess. Right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to see here. Was it hot? Mm-hmm. I never seen it this way. But it tastes mighty good. Good. Lots of cheese. Come on there. You like this? You gotta subscribe. Share and like. And we'll see you good people on another one. Oh. It is good. I've never seen it this way though. So, tomorrow, tomorrow's Sunday, football. See what Mama's going to conjure up tomorrow. What's Mama cooking tonight? So you good people out there, you all stay safe, stay healthy, and it's going to be mighty cold. Snuggle up to Mama. Have a good one, my friends.